what I do is I look to double the mortgage. So if my mortgage is $1,500 all in, I try to bring in at least 3,000. When I first started doing it, obviously the value add of buying a property beat up, fixing it up. The thing that people underestimate is the furniture. Furniture is very expensive, and you have
Super
to buy the
expensive.
right furniture. You have to set it up correctly. And you're buying a business. You're not really buying a house
Right.
because there's constant turnover. Guests are breaking things. They're overusing the property, so things are going to break more. And so you have to have a nice liquidity to be able to fund these problems. So I bought my first short-term rental with a cop and he's a detective in Brooklyn. Never met the guy, just heard friend to friend to friend,
Right.
and I partnered with him. It's going good now, but in the beginning, it's a rocky road. Neighbor didn't like it. He was a pain in the butt. You know, he had a couple parties in there that ruined some stuff. But I think our mortgage is 2,100, and we're bringing in almost 5,000 a month.
Yeah. So
So it's doing great. But he got hooked right away. He was like, he's like,
yeah.
I'm just gonna. He's like, why am I a cop? I'm gonna get killed out here. I'm
Right.
just gonna throw my gun in the street and get out to where you are, so I could keep doing this. And that's the mentality that I've always had. Like, these rental properties are great. They're a good retirement plan down the line,
Absolutely.
and you never sell the real estate, and you could do a lot with it.